In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to filter A to Z in Excel. We will walk through the whole process together, step by step, so you can follow along on your own screen and see exactly what changes as you go. First, launch Excel on your device. When you open Excel, you will usually see a start screen with a list of recent files on the left and templates like blank workbook on the right. If Excel opens straight into a blank workbook instead, that is fine. You can still follow along from there without changing anything on this screen. Next, open an existing workbook. Click the file that already contains the data you want to sort alphabetically. If it is not in the recent list, use the Open option and browse to the folder where it is saved. Once the file loads, you should see your worksheet with column headers at the top and rows of data underneath, ready for sorting. Now, click any cell inside your data table. Make sure you click a cell that is within the block of data, not an empty cell far away. When your cursor is inside the table, Excel uses that position to understand which range of cells belongs together. You should see the active cell highlighted with a border, confirming that Excel is focused on that part of the sheet. From there, go to the Data tab on the top ribbon. At the top of Excel, look for the row of words like Home, Insert, and Page Layout. Click Data, and you will see a new set of tools appear underneath, including options for sorting and filtering. This is the area where Excel puts everything related to managing and analyzing lists of information. Next up, click the large filter button, the funnel icon. You will find it in the Sort and Filter group on that Data tab. Once you click it, small drop-down arrows appear in each header cell of your data table. That tells you filtering is now turned on for the whole range, and each column header can control how its data is shown. At this point, click the drop-down arrow in the column header you want to sort. A menu opens showing options like Sort A to Z, Sort Z to A, and sometimes extra filters depending on your data. Now select Sort A to Z at the very top of the menu. Excel immediately rearranges the rows so that this column is in alphabetical order, while all the other columns move with it, keeping each row of information together. You will see the values in that column start with A at the top and go down through the alphabet. You have now opened your workbook, turned on filters, and sorted a column from A to Z in Excel. If this helped you get your list neatly alphabetized, give the video a quick thumbs up and subscribe if you would like more short Excel tips.